How to play Fortnite on PC with PS4 Controller. Welcome back to the channel, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. First and foremost, if you are using a wired connection, connect your PS4 controller to your PC using a micro USB cable. Launch your Fortnite. By this way, your PC will automatically recognize your PS4 and you'll be able to play your Fortnite. However, if you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, you will have to configure your PS4. In order to do so, once you have completely logged in into your Fortnite, you have to navigate to the settings option. In order to do so, in your top right corner, you will see a 3 horizontal line, just tap on it. From here, you have to navigate to the option of your console icon. In here, you can do any configuration that you want to. You can control the keys and what keys can control the functionality as well. If you are using a Bluetooth connection, open up your Windows setting. Search for your Bluetooth and other devices and ensure that you have add a device that is your PS4. Once you do this, you'll be able to play your Fortnite using your PS4. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.